everyone. I'm showing you the setup for enema colon tubes. What is an enema colon tube? What does it do? And do you need one or not? Well, enema colon tubes are used to go higher up in the colon. It would be used instead of this 3-inch enema nozzle here, because a 3-inch nozzle won't go that far up. Why does somebody want to go higher up? Well, because you may have some poop up there in the colon that needs to be cleansed off the walls. And you can see these have holes on the sides. And the water will come out of there and clean the colon walls very nicely. These are also used for coffee enemas, as it helps to deliver the coffee a little higher up. Why would people want to use them? Because they're narrower also than a 3-inch nozzle. These are 18 FR. The letters FR next to the colon tube description for its size, that stands for French. It's a French sizing system for the diameter of the colon tube. You can see that they're narrower than your traditional nozzle, which makes it a comfortable fit for those who have hemorrhoids. Makes it an easier insertion. You can see I have a pencil here, and you can see the size difference. It's all less than the size of a pencil. It's called the FR. So this is an 18 FR. This here is a 16 FR. And you have your choices of different sizes and lengths. We also have one for children here, and this is a 6-inch length, which is nice. It's very, very slim. You can see how slim that is next to the nozzle. The other difference is in the materials. This is a disposable colon tube. It's made out of vinyl, medical vinyl, and it's designed for just one use, and then you throw it away. It has a nice firmness to it. The next one is the red latex colon tube. It is much more flexible than all of these. People like it because it's soft. You can see how soft this is. So it's a comfortable insertion. And then this one here would be thrown away maybe after 6 months of constant use. The last one is our silicone medical grade, and it's also nice and firm for those that like firm. And this one is going to last the longest, 1 year. Now our silicone colon tubes will be connected using this connector, which comes with every tube, colon tube. And one side will then go into the hose, and there you have it, it's ready to go. The red rubber ones can be attached using either this connector, or you can use the 3-inch enema nozzle as a connector as well. So this will fit in like that. I also want to show you our 4-foot silicone colon tube. It's 4 feet long. Now, why would somebody want a 4-foot long colon tube? Well, the reason would be to use on your enema bucket instead of the enema hose that comes with your bucket. You would simply attach the 4-foot silicone hose to the bucket like that, and you're ready to go with a colon tube. You don't have your hose, you don't have nozzles, connectors. It's just a very easy connect, and a lot of people like that.